Hello guys, welcome. If you are just coming across my channel, my name is Comfort. Today we are making some delicious coconut soup or coconut pepper soup that we'll be eating with some fufu and rice. So I start up by seasoning up my meat. I have in this pot some fish, crawfish and beef that I will be using. So I'm putting in all my favorite seasoning like bouillon seasoning, black pepper, white pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, and Maggi cube.
Comfort in the kitchen where stories unfold.
I will also be adding in some fresh tomato, habanero pepper, paprika pepper, and some onion. For this recipe, guys, I'm not using canned tomato, but you can use canned tomato.
When the morning breaks with golden fire, the world's a map. Each step takes you higher, and every shadow hides a light, my friend, my friend. This isn't the start, there's no bitter end. Taste the comfort in the climb, don't wait. Each time you leave will shine. It's faith pushed through the storm.
Here we have some coconut that will be blending to get out the juice. Guys, if you want to make this soup with natural coconut to get up the milk yourself, I advise that you get more coconut just in case, because on this day I bought over 5 coconut, but I was only able to get like 2 out of it. The rest was rotten. I had to throw them away. So just piece of advice. So I will be removing the coconut from the shelf, washing it, blending them, and sifting out the juice, because it's the juice that we are going to use to prepare this meal. Meanwhile, my meat was already on the stove, steaming on very low heat, so that I will have time to process the coconut to get the juice out that I will be using or adding to the pot later. Guys, the coconut can also be grated, but I blended mine because my blender was strong enough to do the job for me, and it also saved me some time.
Comfort in the kitchen where stories unfold. Mixing recipes with heart, flavors pure and bold. From sunrise to moonlight, she weaves a tale. With every spice she adds, will never fail. Comfort tastes, comfort tells. Every meal she cooks, her passion prevails. To the rhythm of life, she's setting the trails, bringing joy to each plate. Her love never.
So I'm done getting all of my coconut juice, so I will be adding it to my pot.
Here comes a story with flavor so bold. Comforts in the kitchen, breaking the mold. Spices dancing in the sizzling heat. The taste of passion, it'll make you repeat. Comfort tastes, comfort tales. Cooking up dreams where nothing ever fails. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. Plates of magic, healing souls with care. A splash of love, you can taste it, it's rare. From the pot to the plate, stories are told. Comfort's touch is worth more than gold. Comfort tastes, comfort tales. Cooking up dreams where nothing ever fails. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. African vibes make your heart skip a beat. She's a storyteller too, each dish a masterpiece. pulling you through. Plantains are golden and soup sing with fire. Comfort lifts spirits.
At this point, my soup is well cooked, so I'll be putting off my stove. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like my video, and I will see you in my next video. For now, bye bye.